Hi guys, welcome back to another session of using technical analysis to find good trading opportunities. So today we'll be looking at pound yen, and what we're going to do is we're going to look for, before I even begin, what I always like to see is how the market is flowing, right? What are the big movements? You can see there's one big movement down here, one big movement up here, one big movement down here, up here, down, up, down, and, a little bit smaller like that. The main thing is that we need to see where the key levels, because these are where we take our Fibonacci levels from. Okay, so without further ado, the first thing I like to do is to highlight that this is a very nice resistance level. Why it's a very nice resistance level is because price has bounced off it and now price is approaching it. So this is what I call an overlap resistance. It's a very nice level. Okay, now once I've done with this, I'm going to start drawing my Fibonacci's. Alright, I can scroll back and notice that I should only be as concerned of prices from here onwards. Okay, from here onwards, I do not care about any of this in the past, because it is this is the, over here is the highest significant swing high we should look at. After that it's all just downhill. Okay, so we're gonna take a look here, and I'm gonna do a Fibonacci retracement from here down to here, do another one from here down to here, and maybe one more from here down to here. Okay, what do we notice? This one has a nice 23% retracement right at where price is now, so I'm just going to make it 23. This has a nice 38%. I'm going to look at 38 and 50. This has a nice 23%. I'm just going to leave it there. This has a nice 23%. So we immediately notice that there's a nice 23%, nice 38%, and nice pullback resistance all along this area, right? I go do a Fibonacci extension from here all the way to the top and down to here, and notice a very nice 61.8 extension is right there too. Okay, I always like to highlight this in terms of, in the form of a double arrow here, so I can see that there's a very nice level there too. Okay, that would be the only Fibonacci extension I'll be using. Okay, because I could use it from here, but because of the nature, this is the up, down, up, it doesn't look as nice. When we're looking at Fibonacci extensions, we will always look out for the zigzag. In this example, I'm looking out for this zigzag movement. Alright, when we take it from here, it's more like this is the zigzag, right? So it's hard to look at this as the zigzag. You know, it's a little bit messy. So we take it from here down to here and up to here. So you can see that this movement of here to here projected down here is a 61.8 extension over here. Okay, so very nice levels. You know, you have a 23%, we have a pullback resistance, you have a 38 and 61.8 retracement and extension. So this is lining up to be a pretty nice trade if you ask me. Our stop loss in this example, you know, if I were to take this as my sell entry, I would have my stop loss just at the, you know, at the next major level here. This is the 50% retracement, and I could even have my stop loss a little bit tighter, but just to give myself a little bit of breathing space, I'm going to put my stop loss just a little bit higher than the major 50% retracement. Just let me check something. Yeah. Okay, we notice this is a 50% and a 61.8 retracement too. So it's nice to put our stop loss above the 61 and above the 50%. So maybe somewhere here. Okay, the move down that we're expecting can be all the way down to here. This would be where my take profit is. I'm going to play a nice move all the way down to here. Okay. If we do look at stochastic, which I like to look at, you'll notice that price is right up there. Price is right up there, you know, it's touching a very key level. This is at 97%, so it has to drop from here, right? So this is the setup we're looking at today. Okay, so I'll sell entries at 143.35, stop loss at 145.17, and take profit at 139.92. Okay, that's it from me. If you have questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section below, and I'll do my best to get back to you. Along with that, trade safe, guys, and have a good trading day.